The footer is somewhat different since it does not have a solid color for the background image, but it actually has an image that creates a background texture. Let me show you how to insert an image as a background. It is very easy. Let's switch over to Code View. Ensure wildstyle.css is selected. Under the clear property of the footer class, type in background image. Next to background image, click on the Browse button. Locate the dedicated images folder you created for this project on your computer. Scroll down until you locate the file wild_footer_grass.jpg. This will be the background image. Click OK. The image itself is not the exact width of the footer element, but only 200 pixels wide. The reason being, we don't need it the exact size since it will be a background texture. We can let it tile along the X, Y, or both axes. Type in background repeat. Choose Repeat X. You will see the program perform the duplication calculation for us. If you want to see what the different tiling options are, you can play around by choosing some of the others. In this case, we don't choose Repeat. Repeat will tile the image on the X and Y axis. This is useful when you want a background image that stretches across the screen. The text "Website designed by" disappears nearly completely now that the background image is applied. Let's change the color of the text to the forest green and also make it italic. Be certain the footer class is still selected in the CSS Designer panel. Under Properties, add a property of Font Style. Next to Font Style, choose Italic and type in the color of the forest green next to Color. Let's preview it in live view. The page is taking shape.